What's up, guys? Welcome back just to another Mr. Nasty vlog. I'm with my brother Young Bay. What's up, brother? Are you good?
What's up? Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Yeah, man.
good.
So wait, I think I'm gonna help you with the bags, bro.
Yeah, you can.
You got so many
Yeah,
bags.
let me.
Carry the rows.
How am I supposed to carry the rows? Okay, let me shoot you this way, so that it'll be better. So now you're on focus, full focus.
Oh, really? All right, bro. So I was just thinking, that we came up with this initiative. I mean, like this idea, where we go around giving some packed food and goes to the homeless care. So it's like in Instagram, people are asking about it to like go no manera, So it was like a nice idea. So first things first, thank you so much for helping me out.
Alright, no worries, brother.
Right, for having my back
Always got your back.
for the packed lunch. We
Yeah.
got it. And second thing is I'm feeling damn shy to do this in front of everyone. So still hunting for homeless people right now. Can't seem to have like any homeless.
Let's
people
tell them
around.
the small, short story about the people who just ran away.
Yeah, actually के भयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ नि हामी यहाँ माथिबाट आउँदा आउँदाखेरि नै we came across three people
Yeah.
three homeless people and we told them like just stay there आधी घन्टा बस्दै गर्नुहोस् we are coming भनेर. We came with the food and the rose but they were not there. It's bad news. So I guess
We have to hunt for them again, right?
Yeah.
So let's roll, eh?
yeah, let's roll, man.
Hit the camera. Alright. What? Damn.
Alright, so we are live and finally guys, to be honest, after looking around for quite some time we came across some homeless people. They are sitting in the portal. So let's just go and give them it's
Yeah.
already been so long we've been waiting for them. So yeah, we can finally. So yeah, bro, you can.
Yeah,
you
let's
walk normally.
Yeah. So we got some people out here.
Yeah. So तपाईहरु के गरेको यहाँ? के गर्नुभएको तपाईहरु यता?
यतिखेर कुरा होइन।
तपाईँको लागि यहाँनिर प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुहोस्।
लोकल मान्छे हामी त बोल्दी काम गर्दैन
तपाईँहरूको लागि आज ह्याप्पी प्यारेन्टाइन्स डे मिठाई ल्याएको छु हो ल अब पैसा छैन
खानै पर्दैन खाने
हुन्छ
खाने पायो नि ठिकै ठिकै भैया खाने पायो हजुर
हुन्छ
खाना सबसे ठुलो कुरा है।
हजुर हजुर हजुर
यतै बस्नुहुन्छ भने हामी फेरि आउँछु नि घुमेर
ल तपाईँहरूको साथीहरू छैन कोही पनि?
एकता एकजना छ मात्रै
हुन्छ हुन्छ हुन्छ
ए
हे
कहाँ बस्नुहुन्छ बस्नु चाहिँ?
त्यस्तै फुटफाटमै हजुर घर आफ्ना घर छैन
ए हो?
हजुर
ल
हुन्छ
त्यसो
राम्रोसँग
भने।
बस्नु ल राम्रोसँग खानु। So damn sad because they don't have home, right?
Yeah, bro. They'll be living in the footpaths and all that. That's sad news, guys.
Yeah, it's pretty sad.
So we got one more guy up ahead, and bro, to be honest,
Yeah,
I'm feeling so happy.
yeah.
How about you?
I'm feeling blessed.
Feeling blessed?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because they are blessed.
Yeah.
Right?
Blessing them with some food.
Some
and-
food. Yeah, that's pretty good. Isn't it?
लक भयो मसल लक भएको त्यही हो खानुहोस् प्याटिस ल के छ भित्र बिस्तारै खानुहोस् हुन्छ ह्याप्पी भ्यालेन्टाइन्स डे ल
He needs to wear his jacks either.
alright so always Mr. Nase and Young Bay for the homeless we be out here doing our own thing. I don't know why
This
my
place
phone
is too
starts to
crowded.
ring am I rhyming? Man,
This guy's freestyling.
yeah, bro. I don't know why. All eyes on me. Looks like I got the last piece of patty. Should I eat it or should I give it? Man, I
Whoa.
feel so homeless and broke after giving away everyone. Man, looks like I'm gonna choke.
Oh shit, this guy's on fire, man.
I'm just joking. Let's go, let's go. Anyways, guys, so yeah, that was a success. We gave 3 people,
Yeah, for 3 of them.
Yeah. So, bro, I
We have
think,
more actually.
I think this one I'm gonna give last one, एक हामी चक्कर लगाउँ पायो भने
Yeah.
And after that, I'm gonna take over the camera, right?
Yeah, you're gonna take
I-
over the camera because
That's
it's Mr. Nasi's vlog.
No worries.
And we are coming live now again. And this guy is walking.
Wow, it's looking beautiful, bro. It's looking damn beautiful. I didn't know they decorated it so nice. Homeless people. I have one package over here. How many we got left, bro?
We got one more guest out here. This is uncertain. Hello, Sam the illusionist. All good. ठिकै हुनुहुन्छ? Shooting त्यतिकै vlog के रहेछ आज यता?
हरे कृष्ण
Sam the illusionist guys है एकदम A1 since day one है love and support always Sam दाको. Thank you so much da.
भइहाल्छ राम्रो भाइको ऱ्याप दामी लाग्छ मलाई उहाँको भाइको ऱ्याप चाहिँ फरेनरले गरेको लागि
यता छ हाम्रो मिस्टर नासिर This is his channel, yeah. I just call this channel.
चिन्छ त म ए च्यानल उसले अब दुईजनाले राम्रो
Focus भएको छैन तर. है?
Is it focusing?
हाम्रो focus भएको छैन. Focus.
आयो लक भयो I don't know but I'll try it from here, right?
ए ल त्यो सब्सक्राइबर डजन्ट म्याटर हुन्छ नि एकै दिनमा कहाँ पुग्छ हो त एकै दिनमा एक महिनामा
By the way, I want to congratulate Samda.
मलाई
This is congratulations for so many views that you are getting lately.
हैन सब्सक्राइबर मेरो 40k पुगेछ नि
It's got 40k, isn't it?
मेरो च्यानल सेम द इलिजनिस्ट
Hey, Ambo, I've
हेरेको
yes, of course.
Hey,
Why not?
okay.
Nice to meet you, then, finally.
तिमीलाई पनि राम्रो लाग्यो है भेटेर हैन
Okay.
Did it.
But I'm not feeling so romantic today. I don't know why.
Maybe because we are not getting any of them homeless people in it.
Yeah, bro. Still looking for the homeless. I would say it feels like the rich is the homeless and the homeless is the rich.
Facts. I'm very happy to be a part of Mr. Nasir's vlog, eh? And I'm very happy to be his cameraman for the day.
This are no, but no.
I'm your cameraman for the day, bro.
Nah, bro. I'm feeling damn fucking awkward if you say that. Anyways, thank you so much for helping me out, Yash. Like always. Yesterday our video was a hit, Aaj pani
It's gonna be a hit.
host,
I'm always there to support you, bro.
Alright, bro.
Don't matter what.
Yes, brother. Do you want to be on my vlogs? Nice to meet you guys.
I'll watch your videos again.
Thank you so much. Anyways, I got rose for you guys. It's nothing homo, but just like a
All
brother.
love, bro.
All brothers.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I was looking for someone to give rose. Yeah. You can give it to some beautiful girls,
Just going on a date right now.
Oh, you. All the best. All the best.
So you don't have to spend $50 now.
Your videos are great again.
Thank you so much.
Alright, guys.
Alright, take care, guys.
So there was Mr. Nasi given full of. This guy is so generous, giving a rose to each and everyone, right?
तपाईँले मलाई पुरा सर्कायो. Nothing homo, but I just gave rose to my
Mr. Nasi is
brothers.
taking out the vlog now because I'm too boring. And Mr. Nasi is already recording.
Alright, so
Hold this.
alright guys, I think I need to focus on myself first. Yeah, what's up? Looks like we are on focus now.
Wow, this guy is amazing. He's doing amazing job. Right? Camera hatma aउने बित्तिकै he's like fire, man. This is like magic.
Hey, bro,
Look at the decoration, bro. It's given life.
Yeah,
Hey,
this
भन्दा
is
अति दामी.
Hey, hi brother. Hello. Hello, yeah.
Hello.
Like, no couples, just.
No. Yeah, got it.
What's up, guys? I'm in full HD today. I don't know why I'm shouting, but the camera is too good. Anyways, it's just me with young Bay. He's walking over there, bro. And I almost crashed with you, bro. Today is a sad scene for us.
Why?
We are not getting any homeless people.
But still, it's fine. We are enjoying, right?
Yeah.
It's fine. आजको दिन चाहिँ अति मजा आयो.
Bro, it's like so damn hard to vlog in this
Because we don't have a...
tripod. Yeah. We're missing a tripod. That's why. Yeah.
But still-
normally it was like easy, you know,
Yeah.
with the phone and
I mean,
stuff. But
like we said yesterday, no, we are doing this for Nasti Gang and each one of your like supporters. Like, किन भन्दाखेरि
yeah.
अब त्यो फोनको पनि भ्लग बेसी भयो क्या, so this is something HD for you guys, है.
Hey, HD stuff for you guys. Bro, coffee shop जाने? मेरो पैसा छैन तर यो चाहिँ तपाईँको लागि कुरा हो हैन मजाले खानुहोस् हुन्छ ह्यापी भ्यालेन्टाइन्स डे मजाले खानुहोस् खाजा हुन्छ
खाजा खानुहोस्, हुन्छ.
Yo, this guy. Right now, I should give some cash.
How did you feel?
I feel like giving cash also, but
The
since
rule,
young
what's
Bay
the
told
rule?
me not to give cash, today is they misuse the cash here. पैसा misuse गर्यो भने अब हैन bro. Valentine's Day मा हैन instead of getting romantic, what if they get drunk, you know?
Facts. Mr. Nasi, open them focus on this again. So, yeah, for real.
How looking? How
So
looking?
keep on going. You're looking lit as fuck. Eta tala, once check. Eta
You
हेर्नु
wanna
त.
go once more?
Let's
Let's get more packages now. Right? Cheers. Thank you so much. We still have a lot of packages, bro.
A lot, right? How many are there? Can you count it first?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Lot more to go.
Let's just give it to those guys, no, who are rapping over there, bichara.
For whom? First like?
उनीहरू अगाडि ऱ्याप गर्दै रहेछ कि so that's also a struggle हैन that's street art so I appreciate it they are even raising money I guess for themselves in order I think उनीहरूले पैसा जे उठाउँछ राम्रो खानाखुनाहरू खानुको लागि त होला हैन
Obviously.
so why not just you know help them out and give
Yeah.
oh I'm supposed to look over here hey
God.
alright guys so let's get this done
Yeah, let's get it.
damn I'm out of focus for life
Whoa, whoa. You started off, right?
what's up brother
Yeah, Mr. Nasi.
are you on focus
Yeah, I'm 100% on focus race, right?
yeah
Because we are trying one more time.
Yeah,
To
bro.
see whether.
It's just that we just have to give away the packages, you know.
Uh-huh.
So I felt like हुन्छ नि बिचारा these guys are you know working hard, you know they're trying to earn
They
some
must
money.
be hungry as well.
Yeah.
हैन? They've been rapping since कहिलेदेखि होला.
Yeah. So I was thinking, you know, why not give it to them, eh?
Yeah.
Bro? So that's
So
one.
yeah, it was his idea as well.
Oh.
I agreed to that, and it's yeah, ठिकै छ. Right? Because
Whatever happens for a good cause.
yeah, happens for a reason, हैन? So
Hey, but the camera quality is too good if I have to vlog, you know. And if I have to zoom with one hand like this, can you? Just joking. I'm not trying to challenge you guys, but I'm just trying to be myself, you know. So guys, to be honest, म यहाँ हेर्नुपर्छ यहाँ हेर्नु हुँदैन यहाँनिर चाहिँ त्यो मिनी स्क्रिनमा हेरेछ भने चाहिँ कन्फ्युज हुँदो रहेछ कि so I have
I
to
just
look
saw,
over here.
Ani,
Yeah,
I just saw one of my employee from my factory.
yeah.
And he just came for outing होला. I want to give him one package, right?
Yeah,
He's
well,
with
you
his
should,
friends. Come on,
Yeah,
let's give him.
you do the honors. Alright, so let me focus on this, bro. Focus on this, bro. All good?
All good, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. So what's the hold up now? के गर्छ अब?
Let's get it up. Now let's go and see whether we have.
Yeah. 100 on this. Anyways, my हाथ दुखिसक्यो आया. But it is worth, you know. Done.
All right. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
सुंदर बहुमूल्य फूला में ममता को
So you ready, brother? See, we are doing it for a good cause, you know. So no need to feel, you know, awkward or anything like that. All right.
माथि आइरहेको थिएँ म तपाईँलाई भेट्नु प्याज ल्याइदिएछु ब्यागमा सेयर गरेर खानु
There he goes. Looking good, brother. Cheers. Just another day in the heart of Gangtok. Hey, how's that for a start?
That's
So
awesome.
guys, all these mofos looking at me, I feel nervous. Anyways.
Damn, what is he doing?
Raju, excuse me.
खानुहोस् न
Thank you.
के छ
के नि?
के गर्नु
झोला राख्नु ने? झोला राख्नु ने? झोला राख्नु ने?
दाजु के गर्नु भएको यो चाहिँ बाइ द वे
ए यो बनाइदिइहाल्नु भनेको नि है आर्टिस्टको पुछाडि
गीतहरू जस्तो? ए
गीत गाइदिइहाल्नु भनेको
हुन्छ दाजु. स्टे दाजु ल.
33
Practice दाजु.
रहेछ
हुन्छ दाजु बाइ बाइ गरिदिनुहोस् क्यामेरामा
हुन्छ बाइ
So this is the vlog life and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god,
Oh my god.
Mr.
What's up?
Nasi.
What's good, brother? Welcome to the vlog life.
Damn.
Anyways, guys, today was a good day. Indeed, we covered it up within like 2 hours, you know.
2 hours.
3 घण्टा जस्तो चाहिँ हामी अब हिँडेको थियो म र यश, हैन? Me
Even
and
though
young
we
guy.
had a tour van.
Yeah, bro. So the आजको हाम्रो के थियो भने we just had to go and give away, you know, packages. Are we too close? Like
Yeah, fine.
we had to give packages to the, you know, homeless people, and so we gave around 12 packages, 12 packages of food to 12 different individuals, some to local talented people who are doing like street the singing and all. They were trying to raise money for themselves, so we just gave it to them. We tried and gave it to mostly to the homeless people, you know. So if you all like the video, please follow me. Hey, we still got a lot to do. I'm gonna say, if you all like the video, do drop the like button, and don't forget to, you know, subscribe to Mr. Nase.
Mr. Nase.
And even to Young Bay, his channel's link is down there in the description. Down there, bro. Yeah, down there.
All the way down.
All the way down is there.
All the way down.
So we in this together, you know. Today was a great day for us. It was a great success for us, you know.
Yeah.
And what we learned out of it, in order to, like, bro, like, seek happiness, you know. We give happiness. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I'm just saying that we made Oroman Share good, you know, like that. Did you feel happy after that?
Obviously, man.
Yeah.
It feels great.
I felt super happy, bro. The maza aayo dinu ho, bichara.
Yeah.
But you know, most of the thanks goes to you. You know, behind the scenes there was a lot of struggle as well, So yeah, man, we did this good, If you all really enjoyed, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. And the challenge is done. This is what you all wanted. This is what you all wanted, right? You all wanted Mr. Nasir to go and Valentine's Day within you all wanted me to go and give away things to each and every one, right? So I did what you all asked for. So it is what it is, guys, And yeah, looks like we are done for the day. Are we?
Yeah, almost. We are done for the day now. Enjoy. We are gonna go somewhere and shoot some cinematic shots. Chillax, bro.
Peace out, guys. Yeah. Alright. What's up, guys? So आजको लागि त्यति नै थियो. Say what, brother? हैन? मजा आयो आज मलाई.
It was
Anyways, it was a dope day. So
damn.
much thanks to this guy, you know, Young Bay. His link is, I mean, Instagram handle and link, everything is down there. And you all can check him out, obviously. And मलाई मजा आयो आज just to go about, you know, giving food to the homeless people and all that stuff. I just had fun giving back to the people. Okay? I know, like, I'm not that big shot to just give away like 10,000 and 20,000, you know. But from the start, it's a start, and sense and a gift everything.
Yep.
So giving away like this, all these like food packages and all, whatever, you know, it really worked out. Okay, मलाई मजा आयो, you know. So I think that was a good vlog content, you know. Plus, निकैले मलाई भनेको पनि थियो क्या यस, like, you know, they like in the Instagram it was rotating, okay, the same question, you know. What was it? Like Mr. Nase should do this in Valentine's Day, भनेर.
Alright.
They help the needy, भनेर. So
Really?
yeah, I did it for you guys, you know.
So Mr. Nase just did it for you guys. Why?
First time क्या अब I gave back to someone, हुन्छ नि, अब like त्यसै गएर खाना दिनु, like food packages, and on top of that, you know, like yeah, it was a good sign, भनौँ न. So it's just the start, guys, you know, and we are getting slowly into it, okay?
Yep.
So no matter what, you know, we are not gonna stop doing all these good things. So thank you so much for the support, you know. If you already love the video, smash that like button, you know. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Mr. Nase, his name is Young Bay, and we are done for today. So much love, guys. Happy Valentine's Day once again, and don't forget to kiss your loved one, and that's your mom and dad. So
Yeah, facts, fire, man.
good night, homies.
Good night, eh?
Yeah, bro.
Damn.
Can I smack that?
Yeah, man. You.